Today's featured car of the day is a 1972 AMC Gremlin X, a one-of-a-kind resto mod, I guess you would call it. Had a complete restoration from the chassis up, including a 390 V8 with a 5-speed transmission. And the seller stated the paint was near perfection, as is most of the car. Had a custom Levi interior. Car sounds awesome and drives great. It's very fast. And he was right on the money because I saw the car and when I filmed it, and it was a beauty. Definitely good looking with the orange paint. And it was at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $28,000, which I thought that was a pretty good deal. I got quite a bit of car for the money. And the Gremlins, if you're interested in the history of them, they came out in 1970 and went through 1978 in the United States. And they were built in Mexico from 74 to 83. And they ended up making 671,475 total of the Gremlins. And you still see them here and there. So they were pretty well-built cars, actually. And definitely different, that's for sure. And 1972, which is this one, they made 61,717. So, and that was a 15% gain over the 1971 model year. But Gremlins definitely were different. And to be even different, there was a dealer in Mesa, Arizona called Randall AMC who received AMC's endorsement to build a 401, the 6.6 liter V8 powered Gremlins. They started out as 304, the 5 liter V8s from the factory. And after the modifications, they would turn a 13.9 quarter mile at 103 to 106 miles an hour. And he sold them new for $29.95. So that was quite a bit of car for the money, even back in the day. They ended up building, I believe, 20 of them total in 1972, 3, and 4. And they made one for the Strip, which they were out running in, I guess, super stock class. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1972 AMC Gremlin X, a one-of-a-kind with a 390 V8 and a 5-speed, and sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $28,000. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. But thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, and consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.